and welcome back to the breakdown. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add more RAM to Minecraft 1.13. Also going to be showing you how much RAM you need to dedicate to Minecraft and talking about that a little bit. So awesome video here, but first a message from our sponsors, which is game servers. Go to the breakdown.xyz/MC server, the first link down below, to get an awesome 24-hour DDoS protected Minecraft server. Even if you have a bad computer, if you want to host your own Minecraft server, this will allow you to do it. Game servers hosted on their own server, on their own hardware, so you can just focus on playing the game. Again, that is the first link down below, the breakdown.xyz/MC server. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and jump on into this. So, as you can see here today, we're just starting on an empty desktop, which is unusual. Typically, I start on the download page or somewhere like that, but that's because basically, this is where you need to start as well, which is on your desktop. When you're here, you want to click in the top left for me, probably in the bottom left for you, the Windows button. That's going to open up whatever this is called. I honestly don't remember. Let me know that in the comments down below. I think Start Menu? That seems correct, but I'm not sure. But in here, all we want to do is just search for System Information, right like that, and hit enter on it. Now, this is a bunch of gibberish, basically, but we're looking for two things here. First and foremost, we want to see what our system type is. Most likely, it's the same as mine here for you, which is x64-based PC. If it's not, well, then that's okay, but you're going to be doing something a little bit later, just a little bit differently. So, x64 here, that's good. We're going to come down here to installed physical memory. That's how much RAM we have. It's kind of the entire point of the video, right? We have 32 gigabytes of RAM for me. You might have 16. You might have 8. Hopefully, you have at least 8. If you have less than 8, well, that's okay. You still may be able to play Minecraft, but hopefully, you've got at least 8 gigabytes of RAM here. Nevertheless, once we figured all of that out, we can go ahead and close out of system information here. Write down how much RAM you have. I would also maybe write down you've got an x64 system, but specifically your RAM, you want to make sure you've got that figured out. Go ahead, close out of this. Now, we want to go to the second link down below, which is going to take you here. This is our Java download page, basically an entire tutorial on how to get the Java JDK, which will allow you to install Minecraft mods in the future, as well as updating Java currently for your system. When you're here, click on the yellow download button, and then you want to go ahead and accept the license agreement here. You want to read it first. I've obviously read it, but you want to read that, and once you agree to that, come down here and find x64 Windows. Now, if you had a 32-bit system, right, earlier, that's what that said, then you actually want to download the x86 here. But for 99% of us, we're downloading the x64. Click on that, download it. It'll install just like any other program, guys, so there's no worries there. Once you've got that installed, pause the video. Now that you've got that installed, let's go ahead and minimize our browser here, and we just want to open up the Minecraft launcher, right like that. Now, once we're in the Minecraft launcher here, you should have these 3 dashes up here in the top right. Click on those, and then come over here to Launch Options. Once we're in here, you want to make sure at the very top up here, see this Advanced Setting tab? You want to make sure that's clicked. Please note, this, you got to make sure you know what you're doing. I know what I'm doing here, and you know what you're doing because you're watching this video, and I know what I'm doing, so click OK. Now, once we're in here, we just want to add a new profile. You can do this to other profiles, but I'm just going to add a new one here just for, well, ease of use and whatnot. So I'm going to add a new one. I'm just going to call mine play.breakdowncraft.com. Wonder what that is. Well, that would actually be the IP to our Minecraft server. It's awesome. It's survival. We're adding in new game modes every single month. So, yeah, go check it out. Just copy that and go play on it and see what you think and all that stuff. Anyway, that's kind of a sidetrack. Once we're in here, we want to select our version. This will work actually with any Minecraft version, but we're just going to be doing this on 1.13. I'm going to go ahead and change the resolution real quick. You don't have to do this. There we go. That's just so later on you guys can actually see Minecraft. We're going to now come down here to JVM arguments, right? Click on JVM arguments here. And if you had a 32-bit system, you're not going to be able to add in as much RAM here. You're capped most likely at 4 gigabytes, and most likely you're capped at 2 gigabytes because your system probably only had around 4 gigabytes of RAM. I wouldn't recommend using more than half of your total system memory right here for Minecraft, right? So basically, at default, Minecraft is using 1G or 1 gigabyte of RAM. I could add up to 16 gigabytes of here because I have 32 gigabytes of RAM in my system. However, most people don't have that, and Minecraft doesn't need that. It wouldn't know what to do with 16 gigabytes of RAM, guys. So I would recommend for most people just adding in probably 4 gigabytes if you're having some lag. Now, if you're running a pretty intense mod pack like SevTech or, Crazy Craft, something like that, you can actually up this to 8 gigabytes as long as you have at least 12 to 16 gigabytes of RAM in your system. So I'm actually going to run it on 8 gigabytes here. This is a bit of overkill for Minecraft Vanilla. vanilla, but nevertheless, there we go. Now, click over here to the News tab, and we actually don't want to play on Minecraft 1.13 latest here. We want to click on the little pop-up button and come down to the bottom where we see our new profile there, or whatever profile you did. For me, play.breakdowncraft.com. Come play with us at play.breakdowncraft.com. Click play there, and now we are launching up Minecraft 1.13 with 8 gigabytes of RAM. Again, this is just absolute overkill, guys. Like, absolute overkill. But if we launch into single player here, I'm actually going to delete our tutorial world and live in this tutorial, create a new Minecraft 1.13 tutorial world because our other tutorial world was all kinds of, like, screwed up. But nevertheless, there we go. Launching into 1.13 here. And with this new world, we should have basically very little lag. Now, there might be some lag spikes, especially as, like, we're running around and things are loading up, but we'll also be able to confirm that we do, in fact, have 8 gigabytes of memory dedicated to Minecraft, and I'll show you guys how you can see how much RAM you have dedicated to Minecraft. So now that we're in here, how do you see how much RAM Minecraft has? Well, it's pretty simple. Just hit F3. Then up here in the top right, we can actually see memory, and then we can see how much RAM Minecraft's actively using. It's actually using 2 gigabytes right now as it's loading in this world, and it also has 8 gigabytes of memory dedicated to it, which is why it says 8,192 megabytes. Convert that over to gigabytes, and it's 8 gigabytes. So, yeah, awesome stuff there. You now have more RAM dedicated to Minecraft, and as I said, guys, as far as how much you need to dedicate, it's, for a mod pack, maybe up to 8 gigabytes. However, for vanilla Minecraft, this is actually overkill, this 8 gigabytes that we've added. Oh, we're in creative. That makes sense. But nevertheless, there you guys have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome, fun, entertaining Minecraft videos every single day of the week. I love making these videos for you guys, and I hope you love them as well. So, like and subscribe. But anyway, guys, my name is Nick. This has been The Breakdown, and I'm out, guys. Peace.